Look at stock ticker symbol PPHM, taking a look at what we're doing, what we're going to be looking for, a little bit of the brief look at the past, and Joe is going to tell you a little bit about the company here in a minute. Currently traded at 56. All right, so we got some resistance levels that I put up here that we can fairly put around the 58, 59 area, coming back into the past. It's not going to be too big of an area, but it's still there. And you've seen that you got up there. It looks like the last high too, we can bring that all the way up to the top. That looks like that's going to be a resistance level more than anything. So it's going to be 58, 66 are going to be those levels that you're going to be looking for right here. There's a little bit of a gap right down in there. A big day in volume, 20 million shares traded. But we looked at this one back here on the 3rd. What did I say right here? Watch 32 to break. If breaks, could make some big moves. Chart is ready. That was back here on the 3rd. Congratulations to everybody that watched this video, because look at what happened here. You guys took off. Beautifully set up off of that. On the 10th, I continued. I said, watch for a close around 35. If not, could drop to the 33. And you guys ended up hitting a low that day of 35. Not necessarily down to that 30, that 35 or 33. I said, no more gaps. He's buying. 13th, the last time that we took a look at this stock right here, I said watch resistance at 39, support at 36, comes down to the buying. Right when I said that, the buying returned and the stock took off. You guys were still up way higher when I said the chart is ready to make some moves, and boom, you guys took off from there. So congratulations. What are you going to be looking for right now at 57? Me personally, you're going to want to make sure that 52 holds. This is going to come down to tomorrow. What I mean by that is what happens tomorrow. If you guys, the buying pressure continues and you do not gap up, the stock could definitely make moves up to 66. I think that you're going to have a little bit of a pullback coming here either tomorrow or the following day. Right now, the RSI is at 91. Play it safe. Take your profits. Lock them in right now at 57. My personal opinion. I will type this out.
All right, so their latest press release was on February 9th. Its recent publication highlights proof of concept data supporting the diagnostic potential of, I'll butcher this word, it's called phosphodiesterase positive exomes in ovarian cancer. Peregrine Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, a pharmaceutical company committed to improving patient lives by manufacturing high-quality products for biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies and advancing in proprietary research and development pipeline. Today, on February 9th, announced the publication of positive proof of concept data for a novel exome-based cancer detection platform. Results of the study, conducted at the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center, showed researchers were able to distinguish between healthy subjects and patients with ovarian tumors based on the levels of exosomes containing this word that I'm going to butcher again, phosphodiesterase, found in their plasma. Furthermore, analysis of the PS positive exomes levels allowed researchers to distinguish between malignant and benign tumors. These data were recently published online by the peer-reviewed journal OncoTarget in a paper titled Detection of that word again, positive exomes as a diagnostic marker of ovarian malignancies, a proof of concept study. So basically, they did a press release in regards to that actual, proof of concept, the data supporting their actual testing over there at the University of Texas at the Southwestern Medical Center. That press release right there is available for everybody to read right over. You just basically go on the Investors Hangout, click on PPHM, go right to the latest news. You'll see it right there on the February 9th because it's kind of a long one. It's got all the different results in it. And then obviously if you're interested in the company, they traded on the NASDAQ right now as well. And obviously from looking at the average price per share right now, they're under that $1. So that's that right there. I mean, you could look into the filings, the financials, buy ratings, and have at it. And if you have any opinions on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
All right. So again, over here on the chart, like I said, watch for maybe one more day if you do not gap up. What I mean by that is open up higher than where you're currently at right now. So if you close today at 57 and you go to open up tomorrow at 60 or so, I'd be very cautious. My personal opinion, you guys had your nice run up there. Watch for maybe one more day. If you do not gap up, resistance level at 58.66, support at 57.52.45. Chart is now overbought in my personal opinion. Keep an eye on it. Let us know what happens here. And as always, if you follow the stock, make sure you click subscribe right now to stay updated with this stock and all the other hot stocks out there. And be sure to head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know what hot stocks you're following. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list.